People think they already know all the secrets of airplane mode, but there are things no one has ever talked about before. Today, I'll show you secret uses that can save you, protect your data, and make your phone smarter than ever. Stay with me. 1. Instant protection from tracking or spying. If you ever suspect that an app or someone is tracking your movements or collecting data in the background, the fastest button that can save you is airplane mode. As soon as you turn it on, your phone cuts off all wireless signals, mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even GPS. That means you've instantly disconnected from the entire world. It's not a permanent protection method, but it works like an emergency lock. It stops the danger immediately until you decide what to do next. You'll find detailed guides about this on the channel, and more coming soon. 2. Fixing network or SIM issues without turning off the phone. Most people, when they lose signal or see no service, remove and reinsert the SIM card. But that method isn't always safe and can damage the SIM over time. The easier way? Turn on airplane mode for exactly 30 seconds, then turn it off again. This forces the system to fully refresh the SIM and network signal, just like restarting the network module. The result? A stronger signal, cleaner calls, and better internet. It's basically a quick reboot for your phone's network faster and without wasting time. 3. Temporarily boosting phone performance. When your phone slows down or freezes, it's often because background apps are consuming both internet and processor power. Once you enable airplane mode, all those apps freeze temporarily since they lose internet access. That gives the processor a short break, and you'll instantly notice smoother performance. Try it yourself. Open a heavy app like Instagram or Facebook, notice the lag, then switch on airplane mode. Suddenly, your phone breathes again. Just remember, this is a temporary speed boost until you reconnect to the internet. 4. Protecting your phone while charging in public places. Many people charge their phones in cafes, malls, restaurants, or airports. But what most don't know is that some USB ports or cables might be modified to transfer data as well as power, a security risk known as USB data leak. So before you plug your phone into any untrusted source, turn on airplane mode. That way, even if the port tries to transfer data, your phone will have all connections disabled and nothing can be extracted. This gives you an extra layer of protection without any special tools or apps. 5. Preventing interference while recording or filming. If you've ever recorded audio or video, you've probably noticed how a sudden call or notification can interrupt or cause that annoying bzzz noise. That happens because network signals interfere with the microphone or recording circuits. The simple fix: turn on airplane mode before recording. Your phone will block all network signals, no calls or notifications, resulting in cleaner sound and clearer video, like using a professional camera. 6. Reducing radiation exposure while sleeping. Many people sleep with their phones under their pillow or next to their head, which is a bad habit. Even when idle, phones constantly send and receive network signals, increasing electromagnetic exposure. The solution isn't to move your phone away, it's to enable airplane mode before sleeping. This ensures your phone stays completely silent and radiation-free through the night. Plus, your battery will remain stable. You won't wake up to find it drop 10 to 15% for no reason. 7. Using airplane mode as a test environment for apps. If you like experimenting with new apps or settings and don't want them connecting online or sending data without permission, turn on airplane mode. It puts your device into a perfect offline sandbox for testing. For example, want to see how an app behaves without connecting to its servers, or test a game without ads. Airplane mode is your key. You'll be working in a completely isolated environment, safe from unwanted data exchange. In the end, try these tips yourself, and you'll be surprised how something as simple as airplane mode can unlock powerful benefits and keep your phone safer, faster, and smarter. See you in the next video.